Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix this phone number cannot be used for Google verification. So let's get started. So if you're encountering this issue, it is because of a few main reasons. You may have used the same number for many Google verifications, so your number has reached the Google's limit. What also might have occurred is that your phone number was blocked due to suspicious behavior. If your phone number was encountered in phishing or fraud, then your number may be blocked for further Google verification. What might also be the issue that your phone number is located to a region that does not support Google verification. This is because only a few countries have Google phone verification. Now here are some of the things that you can do to fix this issue. Your number might be blocked due to excessive requests. This might be because you tried multiple verifications in a short period. So what you can try is to wait for 24 to 48 hours and see if it works. Also try to check for any typos or mistakes in the number that you're typing in. Also make sure that you're using the correct phone format and also the correct country code. It also might be because your phone number has reached the Google verification limit. So what you can try is using a different phone number, and this may help fix the issue. Also try to avoid virtual phone numbers as they usually do not work. If the problem still continues, then it may be a problem of your phone or the SIM card. So you can try using a different SIM card or a different phone for the verification process. So just eject the SIM card and see for any damages and put it back in and see if it works. Now this should fix the network issue and it should work. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.